Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about database management system lab and exercise 5 joints. And coming to first question, write a query to display a name, living city, company name, salary, and joining date of employees using natural join. So this is the first question. Select e-name, city, and c-name, salary, date from employee table and natural join to employee company table. So this is that output. And coming to second question, write a query to display name, living city, company name, salary, and join date of employees using cross Cartesian join. So this is that one. Select a name, city, c name, salary, date from employee, a cross join, an employee company table. So this is that output. Cross join this one. And coming to third question, write a SQL statement to make a Cartesian product between manager name and employee name. So this is that one. Select a name, e name, and d of e name from a manager table and cross join to the employee table. So this is that one output. And coming to fourth question, display employee name, manager name, and salary of employees whose salary is greater than 3,000. So salary is greater than 3,000 using var class. So here is that one. Select a name and salary from a manager table and employee company, and where B is salary is less than 3,000, sorry, greater than 3,000. So this is that output I get. There are 21 rows are selected. And coming to fifth question, display employee name, manager name, and salary of the employees whose salary is greater than 3,000 using on class. So this is that statement using an on class here. So this is that output. And sixth question, write a SQL statement to prepare a list with the employee name who live and work in the same city. So select a distinct e name from employee table and a company table where B where A is city equal to B dot city. So this is that output I get. And coming to seventh question, write a SQL statement to make a list with employee name who lives in a city Chennai and whose salary is between 1,500 and 10,000. So this is just that one. Select a distinct B name from employee company table and the employee table where city is equal to Chennai and a salary between 1,500 to 10,000. So that name is Jaya. And coming to it question, display names of a employee's company name and salary employees whose not are assigned any living city. So there is no rows are selected, so it's not came. And I'll tell you last one. And ninth question, display employee's name, manager name, and shift of all the employees. Use left outer join. So this is the ninth question answer. Select A name and M name. B, shift from a manager table and left to outer join, and the employee shift B on E name equal to B of E name. So this is the output we get, and sound rows is selected. And coming to 10th question, display cities of employees in which a company is not located using right outer join. This is the 10th question. Select a B city from company table and the employee table where B where B where A is city and right outer join and city and A is city is null assign. So this is the output I get. And 9th question, display employee name, manager name and shift of employees using full outer join. So this is the totality name and B shift or a manager table and a full outer join employee shift table. So B on ename equal to B of ename. So this is the table and 9 rows are selected here. And coming to 12th question, display employee name, manager name and shift of the employees using natural join. So this is a natural join. To join this join, employee name and manager name and employee shift table. So this is that one. And 13th question, display employee name and cities of employees who are assigned a manager and lives in the same city as that of a manager using inner join. So this is the output I get. Select distinct B name and a city from employee table and inner join manager table and B name is not null. So and city is equal to B of the city and E name equal to B E name. So this is that output I get E name and city. And 14th question, display assigning list of customers who are either assigned a manager or not. So this is the one select distinct E name from employee table and a manager table where E name is equal to B dot E name and E name is not equal to B dot E name. Order by A name ascending order. So this is the ascending order I get. And 15th question, make use of a depositor and a customer table in a previous exercise to list all the customer names and the amount for depositor living in the same city where either a null Anil or Sunil is living. So this is that one. Select a C name and B name amount from a customer table and deposit table in a previous exercise. Here we have to A name is equal to B name and a city. In select city from employee table where E name is assigned Anil and our E name is equal to Sunil. The output I get is this. So this is that last question and thank you for watching this video.